Are you a teacher children are passionate about? Here are a few things to make your children love to be around you. You must be passionate about your job. Children can actually feel if you're there for them or you're just forcing yourself to be there. Every day you show up at work, show up with passion, show up with love, show up with lots of excitement. Children really want to see that. Secondly, children want to see an interesting and exciting classroom. Make the classroom fun. From the introduction to the class activities and the assessment, whatever it is you're doing, make it fun. You should never have a child in your class sleep while you're teaching. You should make your classroom interesting, make it engaging, make it fun. Thirdly, children want teachers that will help them learn. Don't ever think that a child cannot learn. Children learn at different paces, and different things are needed to actually stimulate learning in children. Your children want you to help them. They really want you to show them that you care. Another thing is that children don't want you to lecture. They don't want you to just come to class and tell them about things and throw down facts and things like that. They want you to explain to them. Let them know the essence of the class. What is the benefit of what they're going to get from what you're teaching them? These are some of the things that children really love to get from the teachers. Children want teachers that admit their mistakes. You're human after all. If you make a mistake, what's the big deal? Admit to it. Do not try to play the hero, the no mistake knight in the shiny hammer, always perfect. No one is perfect. And when children know that you admit to your mistakes, it makes them comfortable to also make mistakes. Remember, mistakes are not the end of life. They actually help us to learn better. Children also want teachers that are respectful. Respect the children, respect their opinions, respect their values, respect them as a person. They actually love that. Children want teachers that value time. Oh, please don't go to the classroom and waste the children's time. Value the time. Are you a teacher that dictates the textbook because you actually want to make it feel like you're doing lots of teaching? You're wasting the children's time. Give them what they need. Use the time wisely. Make it useful and beneficial to them. Children love that. Children love teachers that are focused on teaching. If you've come to the classroom to teach them, if what you're going to do is going to be about the topic for the day, focus on it. Avoid all forms of distractions, things that are not required in the classroom, especially when they're older kids. They actually want you to focus on the task at hand and avoid beating around the bush on things that are actually not necessary. Children love teachers that challenge them. In your classroom, you're going to meet children with varying levels of challenges, and for every one of them, you should be able to bring out the best in them. Do not make your classroom a one size fits all. You should have different sizes of shoes so that your children can actually put on anyone, anything. Children also want their space. Oh, teachers, get off their necks. You shouldn't be there all the time, squeezing down all your rules, your beliefs, your this, your that, all the time. They want their space as well. They want to feel that personal touch around them. Children love teachers that allow them to speak up. Yes, I know if you give them the chance to speak, they go cha 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 about everything, whether it's necessary or not. It doesn't matter. You still need to allow them to speak up when they need to speak up. Let them be able to express their feelings. Let them tell you about the things they think. Do not make your classroom a place whereby the only person that does the talking is you. Children want to speak up. They want to be noticed. Your child puts on a new pair of shoes today. Notice it. It has a new hairstyle or a new head covering, something, notice it. Children also want to be noticed. And if they notice you, accept the compliment. There's no big deal about it. Children want to be noticed. Children want teachers that would be passionate about what they're doing, that respect them, that would love them, that will bring out the best in them, and that will make learning a worthwhile experience.